Hi and welcome. My name is Ron Kiss, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Wiimote Whiteboard software to control your computer via an infrared pen and using a Wiimote to capture that. The first step is actually to download the software. You can click on this link here to download the software for the Mac operating system, or this one for the Windows operating system. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to download the Mac version. I'm actually just going to navigate to the website because it's a little bit faster, and download the software directly to my desktop. I'm going to double click the disk image to extract it, and double click the application. Those of you that are running Windows, you're going to actually have a zip file, and you can extract the contents to your desktop and double click this file here. It's called Wiimote Whiteboard.bat. That will launch the software, and you'll get this very similar screen to what I have over here. Maybe just shaped different, a little bit different colors. It does the same thing. As you can see right now, the whiteboard software is actually looking. You can see it's searching for the Wiimote. So I'm going to press the 1 and 2 buttons simultaneously on the Wiimote, and it takes about 5 to 10 seconds before they find each other. And once they do, you get this. It lights up a blue square telling you that it's found the Wiimote, and the same blue square is lit up on the corresponding Wiimote, and a battery indicator telling you the battery life left on the Wiimote batteries. The first step you want to do is actually calibrate the software. What this does is allow the Wiimote to learn the surface that you're using, and I'm actually going to calibrate to my computer monitor, which is a 17-inch monitor, and the Wiimote's approximately a foot away. So I'm going to click calibrate, and I'm presented with crosshairs in the calibration screen. And what it's asking for you to do here is actually touch the infrared pen to that crosshair and then click the switch to engage the light. So I'm going to do so, and as you could see, nothing happened. That's because the Wiimote was not positioned in such a way that it could see that point. And so I'm going to adjust the Wiimote slightly. It's a little bit further back now, about 1 foot 2 inches away. I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to click that point. That time the Wiimote actually saw it. I'm going to do each corresponding point until it learns all of them, and there's 4 of them. Once the points are learned, you can actually click on anywhere on your screen and actually control any object with your pen, just like you would a mouse. And I'm going to launch my all-time favorite paint program, somewhat different than Microsoft Paint, and I can actually write on here or draw. So as I'm not an artist, and you can tell, that is my drawing, but it's very accurate. Say we. Anyway, so that's actually how you launch the software, or download the software, install the software, and run the software. A couple things to keep in mind. The further away you are from the surface, the larger the surface can be, or the canvas per se could be. You have a 45-degree viewing angle with the Wiimote, but the further away you get, it's not as precise either. So keep that in mind. We actually don't quite know the limits. One thing is you have a 30-foot range between the Wiimote and your computer, because it is using Bluetooth, which is limited to 10 meters, 30 feet. So keep that in mind when you're trying to set up your placement. If it doesn't work at first, you can reposition it so that it sees it. It does need line of sight. It is a camera. It can't see through things. And all it's doing is the Wiimote has a lens on it that's acting as a filter to block all of the light except for infrared light. And so the camera is actually picking up infrared light. If you guys have any questions, you can post them on Blackboard, and I will see if I can answer them. Otherwise, have fun with this software. It can do lots and make your life a lot easier. Thank you.